Inside math classrooms, one of the most common questions repeated is some form of, "Can I get another question like that?" When students struggle with a particular concept, they often need multiple attempts and assistance to finally see how a question is done correctly. Unfortunately, there's a difference between seeing a skill, understanding that skill, and having proficiency of replicating that skill. Additional practice is necessary to build true competency. Unfortunately, that practice is often hard to come by. That's where Questions, the Algebra app, comes in. It emulates the solving and explanation capabilities of some of the top education apps on the market, but brings original value in the form of an unlimited supply of algorithm-created extra practice that helps students go from, "I see how you did that," to, "I can confidently do that on my own." Hi, I'm James Seaton, founder and CEO of Questions, and with my 12 plus years of math education experience, I have a real pulse on the issues facing students as they learn algebra, and a true passion for helping students achieve their potential. Do you share my passion? Can you bring intrinsic value to my team? Are you interested in joining this exciting adventure? Check out my venture pitch and let me know if you have any questions.